Hey everyone, I'm Hussein and this is Peentech. Today we are going to show you the short peening pressure and flow calibration time screen recording of the startup. When the machine starts, pressure and flow need a few moments to stabilize. By tracking this curve, we can see exactly when the air pressure and flow stabilize after spraying. This stabilization usually takes just a few seconds, ensuring smooth, reliable performance. Once stabilized, the machine works flawlessly, delivering consistent results every time. Thank you so much everyone for watching our video related to the short peening pressure and flow stabilization time screen recording of the startup. For more information, you can follow us on our social media channel and website. Bye bye.